Welcome to Big Ted's Home and Garden. In today's video we're going to take a look at the Shark car detail kit. This is a selection of small brushes, a crevice tool and adapters which you can connect to your Shark vacuum cleaner to get into all the little nooks and crannies in your car. The kit's supplied in this plain white box. I bought mine from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. This is the product code if you want it. It's on the front and the back of the box. And this is what you'll find inside when you open the box. The large grey connector is for connecting to your Shark vacuum cleaner, and then there's a flexible 1 meter hose and a smaller adapter at the other end. Then we've got the two small detailing brushes and a small crevice tool, plus a couple of adapters. Look at each piece in turn, starting with the hose. The hose is 1 meter long, it's flexible plastic. At one end you've got this large plastic adapter with a Shark branding on. The adapter at the other end can either be used to attach the accessories, or if you depress this catch you can slide this head down and turn it into a brush. This gives you the largest of the three brush options. As you can see here, it's about 30mm by roughly 25mm. If you want to use the smaller brushes or the crevice tool, you need to retract that brush and then add one of these adapters. This is a small adapter which just fits onto the end here, and then you can take your brushes and attach those to the adapters. So there's this angled brush and a straight brush. As you can see, it's quick and easy to change between them. And then we've got the small crevice tool, which again just fits into the end like that. If you need more reach, or if you want to get into a particularly awkward area, there's also this angled adapter, and that just clips in there, and then you attach either the brushes or the crevice tool onto the end of that. To demonstrate the detailing kit, we're going to attach it to my Shark cordless vacuum cleaner. This is the ICZ160UK. It's a lift-away model, so you can separate the motor and the bin from the shaft and the cleaning head. And the control handle also lifts away from the shaft like this. That leaves us with this portable battery-powered unit, which we can then attach the detailing kit to. So let's take it outside and see how we get on. As well as the detailing kit, I've also brought out these accessories. We've got an upholstery brush, a larger rectangular brush and a crevice tool. I'll use these for larger areas like the carpets, but they're too big to get down the sides of the seats or to clean intricate areas like the control panels and the air vents. As you can see here, the small straight brush is ideal for getting into the air vents or for cleaning areas such as control panels or the area around the gear stick. For larger areas like the dashboard, the larger brush did a good job. But my favourite attachment has to be the small crevice tool. This was absolutely brilliant for getting down into small areas like down the sides of the seats and into the rails where the normal crevice tool just couldn't fit. You can also see from this clip that having the 1 meter smaller diameter hose also gives you a bit more flexibility. Obviously you're not just restricted to using this kit on the car, it's also quite useful for things like cleaning keyboards. I found that the small angled brush works best for this job. Small electrical appliances and delicate or intricate objects like ornaments or trophies. So I've got to say, I found this kit really useful both in the car and in the home. It complements the standard Shark accessories well and allows you to get into all those little nooks and crannies that you can't access with the larger standard accessories. If you think you might be interested in the Shark car detail kit, I'll put Amazon and eBay links in the description below. If you found this useful, leave a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Big Ted's Home and Garden. We'll see you soon.